And we're back right here for the 2022 Lokalalo Olympics, aka the Lockdown Olympics.
My golly, Ollie, trolley full of toilet rolls. What an intense last few weeks it's been with the Lokalalo Olympics.
It has been so intense. It's like camping.
Intense. Yes, it doesn't come in 8s or 12s, but we do have intense.
Let's head over to the Sitting Lounge Arena to check out the women's 4-meter tiptoe race. Now this family are onto their third Loku of the day. They have been praying for 12 hours straight, ladies and gentlemen. You do the math.
Absolutely. I mean, no pun intended, but oh my lord. I look at the calluses on their hands from rolling them rosary beads.
They're really wanting to win tonight's lotto draw, aren't they?
Absolutely.
Now, representing Samoa is Seaworld's finest tiptoer, Analosa de Bossa, who is about to attempt the 4-meter tiptoe race.
Now, she's actually known for sneaking out of the house. Away? Thursdays.
What a time.
This should be a piece of buaka for her.
And speaking of waka, look at those toes go. Doesn't it remind you of kapuvai?
A little bit.
Have you had kapuvai?
No, I haven't, because
Same.
I'm privileged. Wow, yummy, yummy.
What a great form.
Absolutely.
Hallelujah!
Oh no.
And she has done it. Wow, what a tremendous performance by Analosa de Bossa. She made it out of her local without her family breaking out of prayer. Ata atamai be awhiwhia lea toa.
And so she should, Ata Atamai. Now, as we look at this breakdown, when Dad raises his hands to praise be to God, she almost gave up on herself. But you know what? Jesus took the wheel and drove her over that finish line. Spectacular performance by Analosa.
Beautiful. 10s across the board, which puts Losa in first place for that gold tooth.
Absolutely, she really deserved that ngifukola.
Yeah, she's like 30 now and still sneaking out.
I know, Carlo, myself gay.
She's gay?
Let's take a look at our next competitor for the women's 4-meter tiptoe race.
And here we have a crowd favorite, one of the top athletes of this competition, Angel the Angel, all the way from Mount Roscoe Heights.
Oh my gosh, I love her ear, lover. It's giving me Princess Diana, but without the princess.
Oh,
or the Diana.
Yeah. Now, Angel is the current title holder of the women's 4-meter tiptoe race because she is the pastor's daughter. And we all know about those PKs, don't we?
Yes, champions of sneaky. Champions without a doubt.
Now, her family have been praying for 25 hours straight. 25 hours, ladies and gentlemen. There are only 24 hours in a day. You do the calculus.
Oh my goodness, they must be really holy.
Oh, wow. What a turn of events, ladies and gentlemen. Angel has lost her halo.
Oh, no. I actually think she's still got a chance here.
Oh, no. Plot twist of the century. Angel has been caught red-handed.
If I actually believe that if she didn't lose her ear in the beginning, she would have had a chance. This is just a loss for our girl.
Well, at least we know who's doing the grocery run for the family next time.
Yeah.
Join us next time as we check out the Grandpa's Climb at the Milk Crates Arena, right here at the 2022 Lokalalo Olympics. I'm Beyonce.
And I'm Reporter too. Good evening.